Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. In this video you will see how to work with my unique crochet cord. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. And now I show you how to make it. For this you need yarn, needle and seed beads. This is the simple sewing needle. I took 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. I put sewing needle and I take seed bead and it goes through the needle and thread. Here how it looks. So I will do it in this way. I pull my seed beads through the needle and thread. I remind you all information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Let's crochet my cord. For this make a chain and pull it. Continue. Take 4 seed beads, yarn over the hook, behind the seed beads and make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work, make a chain. Continue. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work, make a chain. I have got 2 segments. This is the beginning of the work. I do not repeat them. Continue, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook between 2 seed beads. Make double crochet. Make a chain, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook between 2 seed beads. Make double crochet. Well done. Take 4 seed beads. Make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work like this. Make a chain, yarn over the hook. Make the first double crochet between 2 seed beads, chain, yarn over the hook. Make double crochet. Take 4 seed beads. Make a chain with seed beads. Turn the work. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook. And make double crochet between seed beads. First one, chain, and make the second one between next 2 seed beads. Here what I have at this point. Let's make some more segments. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain, turn the work, make a chain, and make double crochet between 2 seed beads, chain, and double crochet between next 2 seed beads. Here what I have. Take 4 seed beads for the next segment, make a chain with seed bead, turn the work, make a chain, yarn over the hook and double crochet between 2 seed beads, chain, and make the second one between 2 seed beads. Take 4 seed beads, make a chain with seed beads, turn the work, make a chain, and double crochet between 2 seed beads, chain, and double crochet between next 2 seed beads. So keep working in this way as many segments as you need for your cord or project. Once I have done all my segments, and now I show you how to complete my cord. Once I have done the last double crochet, I do not use my seed beads, make a chain, yarn over the hook, and as I did before, make double crochet between 2 seed beads, make a chain, yarn over the hook, and double crochet between 2 seed beads, and make a chain to secure the yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, and you will get amazing bracelet, necklace, or belt. Also, it could be part of big project, such as part of the bag or accessories for hair. And let's stop and look what I have done. My cord is ready. Here how it looks. So for this project you just need to know how to work with basic stitches, such as double crochet, chains, and slip stitches. If you don't like seed beads, you can visit my YouTube channel and find a lot of video tutorials in different techniques. If you are beginners, you can also visit my YouTube channel and find tutorials for beginners. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time, so this is quick to make project. It could be perfect for jewelry such as cord, bracelet, necklace, belt, or choker. Or it could be part of big project such as Irish or Gipur laces, or it could be part of the accessories for hair, or it could be part of bag. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this cord. Or please write comment below any of my tutorials, where you can use my projects and what kind of yarn you are using for your future projects. It's always interesting to read. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Don't be afraid to experiment, to create your personal project. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!